What is size attribute? Size attribute is a restriction attribute that we use to define or restrict the width of our input field measured by characters. For example, if we have size 10, this means that this input field will have width 10 characters. This doesn't mean that you cannot enter more than 10 characters. This only means that only 10 characters will be visible inside of our input field. Next input field will be gender. Type will be text. And name, let's change this to gender field. Okay, and let's remove required HTML attribute for now. Okay, let's save our changes. Let's refresh our web page. So here it is, we have our gender field. Available options are male and female. So if you take a look, you can see that we have a lot of blank space after we finish our female. That is actually the longest value that you can enter here. And if we count, we can see that female is 6 characters long. So let's use size HTML attribute to restrict size of our input field on 6 characters. Okay. So if we refresh our web page, we can see that width of our input field has been changed, but let's try to enter female. What is going on? We still have some blank space after it. So if you check, we can enter 9 characters and we have set 6 characters. So what is the reason for this one? Basically, with the size HTML attribute, size assumes that all letters are same width. So if we use style and set that is font family monospaced, this will create that every single letter will be same width. So now if we refresh our web page, we can see our gender field has been changed once again. And if we count number of characters that we can enter here right now, you can see we still can enter 7 characters, but we actually set 6 here. Well, the reason for this is that size characters are measured from 0. So have that on your mind, because if you want to allow that you can enter 6 characters here, you will need to set number 5. So let's try this once again. If we refresh our web page and let's try to enter female, and finally we have restricted our width for input field on the 5 characters. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.